Want to turn any AI song into your custom iPhone ringtone for free without a computer? In this video, I'll show you how to generate a custom track using Suno AI and set it as your ringtone in under 2 minutes. First, open your browser and go to suno.com. Type in a prompt for the style of music or ringtone you want, like upbeat melodic synth ringtone, and tap create. Trim the audio so it's under 30 seconds, download file and save the file to your iPhone Files app. Go to Files app, then open your song. And click Use as Ringtone. Now tap Use Sound as and choose Standard Ringtone. That's it. Your custom Suno AI song is officially your new iPhone ringtone. If this trick helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment with the type of song you created, and subscribe for more quick tips.